FastMCP3's resource interaction mechanism employs asynchronous tool invocation to bridge protocol gaps, enabling clients without native resource support to access both static and templated resources through a unified interface. The system leverages URI-based addressing with placeholder substitution for dynamic content retrieval, maintaining consistency with standard resource protocol semantics while operating through tool-based abstraction. We're about to examine how the callTool function facilitates resource access, demonstrating both static URI resolution and template parameterization in action. The code will reveal the precise syntax for requesting resources and handling their responses, showcasing the transform's ability to maintain resource semantics while operating through tool-based abstraction.
Hash reading a static resource. Result equals await client, call tool read resource, URI, config//app. Print result data hash app name, my app version 100. Hash reading a templated resource, fill in userid with an actual ID. Result equals await client, call tool read resource, URI, user//42/profile. Print result data hash userid, 42 name user 42.
This code demonstrates the resources as tools pattern in FastMCP3, which bridges the gap between clients that only support tool-based interactions and servers that expose resources. The pattern transforms resource access into tool calls, specifically through the read resource tool, enabling clients without native resource protocol support to still retrieve both static and templated resources. The mechanism works by routing tool calls through the server's middleware chain at runtime. When callTool is invoked with read resource, the server matches the provided URI against available resources. For static resources like config//app, it directly returns the associated data. For templated resources like user//user ID/profile, it extracts parameters from the URI, e.g., user ID equals 42, and passes them to the resource function. This approach maintains consistency with direct resource protocol calls, ensuring middleware such as authentication and rate limiting still applies. The design choice to use tool-based access provides flexibility for clients with limited protocol support, though it introduces a slight abstraction layer. The trade-off is minimal overhead for broader compatibility, as the transform handles URI templating and parameter extraction automatically. Binary resources are base 64 encoded in responses, ensuring safe transmission over tool-based interfaces. This pattern is particularly useful in heterogeneous systems where not all clients can implement the full resource protocol. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash reading a static resource. Result equals await client, call tool read resource, URI, config//app.
Calls the read resource tool asynchronously through the client, passing a URI parameter with the value config//app to retrieve a static resource. The result of this operation is stored in the variable result.
Print result data hash app name, my app version 100.
Prints the data attribute of the result object, which contains a JSON string with application metadata including the app name, my app, and version 100. The output will be the raw JSON string, app name, my app, version 100, displayed in the console or output stream.
Hash reading a templated resource, fill in userid with an actual ID. Result equals await client, call tool read resource, URI, user//42/profile.
Calls the read resource tool asynchronously with a URI parameter set to user//42/profile, storing the result in the result variable. The URI follows a templated pattern where 42 is the specific user ID being accessed.
Print result data hash userid, 42 name, user 42.
Prints the data attribute of the result object, which contains a JSON formatted string with user information including userid and name. The output will be the literal string, userid. 42, name, user 42. FastMCP3's resources as tools pattern elegantly bridges protocol gaps by transforming resource access into tool calls, demonstrated through the read resource tool. The two examples, static and templated resource retrieval, showcase how the same call tool interface handles both cases seamlessly. For static resources like config//app, the URI directly maps to stored data, while templated URIs like user//42/profile automatically extract parameters here. User ID equals 42 for dynamic content resolution. Both flows maintain resource protocol semantics, including middleware processing, despite operating through tool abstraction. The design prioritizes compatibility for clients lacking native resource support, introducing minimal overhead through automatic URI templating and base64 encoding for binary data. This unified approach ensures consistent behavior whether accessing configuration files or user-specific profiles, all while preserving server-side middleware like authentication.
The template fills your name before you fill the number, as if the URI remembers what you forget.